Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We'd like to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. The euro-dollar pair has tumbled to the lowest level since May 2017. This has been the most important outcome of the trading week. Evidently, global investors find the US economy more advantageous than the Eurozone. Nevertheless, despite clear evidence of stability in the US economy, the euro-dollar pair is not able to decline below 1.0850. Apparently, the currency pair has already reached the bottom, having exhausted its bearish momentum. Let's ask our technical analyst Peter Yakimovic to comment on the outlook for the most popular currency pair. Hi Peter.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found is that this currency pair is on the extended run to the downside, and it's very risky to watch for selling opportunities or the breakdowns on the euro dollar because the risk is very high that the rally can happen due to the overextension to the downside. Because of that, I expect and I will watch that on the euro to start to do the consolidation, maybe for a few days, maybe 2 to 3 days consolidation, maybe some kind of bull divergences on 4-hour time frame or 8-hour time frame, and then watch for potential rally on this currency pair towards the level at the 1.0980. Eventually, there is in case of the continuation of some downside movement on the euro dollar, I basically found on the daily time frame that there is basically some support cluster zone at the 1.0840 and 1.0820. So this level and this zone can also be attractive for some buyers to join. So again, watch for buying opportunities. Maybe after the consolidation of a few days and then break out to the upside or losing the momentum to the downside. And again, I will stay away from selling the breakdowns or any kind of trying to chase the price to the downside. So I expect and I predict that price can still trade a little bit lower, but eventually will start to do the consolidation and then start to rally up there. So that is my expectation on the euro dollar.
The pound-dollar pair does not demonstrate that clear-cut outlook.
On the British pound versus US dollar, there is a very interesting situation because on the weekly time frame there is an end of the ABC downward correction, in my opinion, and the potential for the upside is huge in my opinion. And I see that pound basically can rally based on the weekly time frame. The pound can rally basically up to the 1.3185 or 1.3290, and basically my prediction is that the pound can do the rally and buying the dips on maybe on the 120 to 40 minute time frame is preferable strategy for this currency pair in the next period, in the next few days. The biggest support is set at the 1.2900. And definitely I will not like to see the break down to this 1.2900 level because that can confirm and negate the structure to the upside. But for now, everything looks like a pretty ABC consolidation and further rally is very, very possible on this currency pair.
The dollar-yen pair has been trading with some interesting moves. The pair failed to consolidate at a 3-month high and reversed downwards.
On the USD versus Japanese yen, there is a bearish outside bar or bearish outside candle on the daily time frame, and this is bearish outside bar came after the 4 days of consolidation. So I really see further and expect further downside on USD Japanese yen towards the levels to 109.27 or 108.30, and especially because I expect that USD will be in the consolidation, maybe stuck in creation of that symmetrical triangle in the daily time frame. So selling the high, selling near the highs of that symmetrical triangle, selling near that upper trend line seems like a great strategy for this currency pair towards that first downward target at 109.27.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.